This is not just about technology, it's about how technology can transform our lives, making them easier, smarter, and more efficient. This is the power of the Internet of Things. In its simplest form, the Internet of Things is a network of physical devices connected through the Internet. We've all heard of it, but what does that mean exactly? Well, imagine your everyday devices like your phone, your watch, your car, or even your refrigerator, all equipped with sensors and software. These sensors collect data from the environment, while the software processes this data and shares it via the Internet. This sharing of data allows these devices to communicate with each other and with us in ways we never thought possible. This communication is not just a one-way street. Devices in the Internet of Things don't just send data, they also receive it. This two-way communication allows for real-time adjustments and adaptations, creating a dynamic system that can respond to changing conditions on the fly. The beauty of this system is its adaptability. With the right sensors and software, virtually any device can become a part of the Internet of Things. From your home thermostat to the traffic lights in your city, to the machinery in a factory or the monitors in a hospital, everything can be connected, communicating, and working together. But the Internet of Things isn't just about connecting devices. It's about what we do with these connections.